So I really like today's lesson because we get to practice the skill of comparing and contrasting two different texts about the same thing. Now, it's been a long time since we did this, but if you remember in the last module, we compared and contrasted two different versions of the story of John Henry. Now today we're going to get more practice comparing and contrasting so that we can better understand the two different versions we have of the story of Ruby Bridges. Now, an important thing to remember is that when we use the word compare, we look for things that are the same. When we use the word contrast, we look for things that are different. Now, you'll watch me compare and contrast details in the story of Ruby Bridges and Ruby Bridges Goes to School. Now, I want you to watch and listen very closely as I answer these questions. How do the stories compare, and how do the stories contrast? Now, as I'm working to answer this question, I want you to look for two things. What questions did I ask myself, and what steps did I take to answer the question?